everyone! Today, we will learn about baby animals. Let's begin our amazing journey.
Elephant. Elephant. The baby elephants interact in the grass. Puppy. Puppy. The puppies play in the garden. Penguin. Penguin. The baby penguins stand on the ice. Tiger. Tiger. The tiger cubs play in the jungle. Rabbit. Rabbit. The baby rabbits hop in the meadow. Dolphin. Dolphin. The baby dolphins swim in the ocean. Koala. Koala. The baby koalas rest in the tree. Husky. Husky. The husky puppies play in the snow. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. The baby kangaroos hop in the outback. Cow. Cow. The calves rest in the green pasture. Lion. Lion. The lion cubs wrestle in the grass. Duck. Duck. The ducklings swim in the pond. Panda. Panda. The panda cubs tumble in the forest. Horse. Horse. The foals play in the meadow. Otter. Otter. The sea otter pups float on the water. Moose. Moose. The moose calves stand in the marsh. Kitten. Kitten. The kittens play on the rug. Owl. Owl. The baby owls sit in the barn. Seal. Seal. The seal pups rest on the ice. Goat. Goat. The baby goats play on the mountain. Bear. Bear. The bear cubs wrestle in the forest. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. The baby chimpanzees swing on the branches. Pig. Pig. The piglets run in the mud. Meerkat. Meerkat. The meerkat pups dig in the sand. Leopard. Leopard. The leopard cubs pounce in the snow. Deer. Deer. The fawns step through the grass. Alligator. Alligator. The baby alligators rest on a log. Raccoon. Raccoon. The raccoon kits explore the tree. Horse. Horse. The foals rest in the paddock. Ostrich. Ostrich. The ostrich chicks peck at the ground. Cheetah. Cheetah. The cheetah cubs play in the grass. Fox. Fox. The fox kits wrestle near their den. Wolf. Wolf. The wolf pups play on the ridge. Rhino. Rhino. The rhino calves play near the mud. Hippo. Hippo. The hippo calves swim in the river. Swan. Swan. The baby swans float on the lake. Tortoise. Tortoise. The baby tortoises walk over the rocks. Sloth. Sloth. The baby sloths rest in the tree. Alpaca. Alpaca. The baby alpacas run in the meadow. Bear. Bear. The bear cubs cling to the branches.